cereal. It's a wonderful day, guys. The sun is setting, the birds are singing. The trees are falling. Teddy, you know I sometimes don't like to get wet. What's going on down there? Guys, look!
Show's over, gang.
Sound egg ship! Whoops. And that thing's more dangerous than your cereal. Hidden the scanner in there. Target acquired. Come on, to the rescue! Landing egg right now. Whoa, this is huge! This thing is humongous and huge. At least it's gone for now. What's that? To be excused, but isn't that a giant bird? Nice birdie! Pretty birdie!
Ooh!
Hey! Drop the egg! It's no use. Don't worry, I got the remote. Now which one was it? Oh, it's this one. Is she getting up? I don't think so. She's getting incubated. What does that mean? It means she's gonna cross over a big bird plot. But that's our egg. Astro Robot, go! Astro Robot is going on command. Woohoo! Your watch worked! Go home program activated. Are you okay? What's wrong, Miss Bird?
Eggs!
You want our egg?
No, my eggs. I lost the way back to my nest.
Wait, I have an idea. If I scan her foot and then look for her footprints, and if we retrace our steps, we may find, look, her nest. Follow us. This, right ahead. Next time when you get lost, you can use this to find your way home. Bye! Hope to see you again. Guys, mission accomplished. Now let's go back home. You keep that around with you? I just sometimes get thirsty. Oh.